Want Valentine's Day decor that's not super cheesy? Let me show you how to make these DIY wooden frames perfect for this vintage printable artwork. And all you need are a few of my favorite work pro tools. Start by measuring the canvas and cutting 1x2 boards down to that size, remembering to make the short side 2 inches longer to account for the overlap. Sand these pieces down so that they can be ready for paint or stain. While the frame pieces dry, we're going to work on the canvas. In order to get the 8x10 print to stick onto the canvas, we're going to use a spray adhesive. After I sprayed the canvas down, I laid the print on top and then just smoothed it all the way around the edges and made sure that it was completely flat. You can print this art directly at home or send it to CVS or Office Max to have them print it. To give this flat print some texture, we're going to use Mod Podge. Simply brush on the Mod Podge with a regular brush, just like you would as if you were really painting the canvas. The Mod Podge will dry clear so you won't see all of this white, but it'll look like the painting is real because it'll have texture like a real painting. After the print and the frame is dry, you're going to want to attach the frame together using clamps and finishing nails. Once the frame is attached together, attach the canvas to the frame using a staple gun. To make one of the frames a little bit fancier, I cut down some trim pieces and mitered the edges. I attached them to the frame using wood glue and clamps. Once the wood glue was dry, I removed the clamps and then gave the entire frame a layer of this really pretty gold paint to give it the antique look. To attach the frames to the walls, I'm going to be using some Velcro sticky tape. Once the Velcro was attached, I made sure that the frames were level and then pressed them against the wall. And that's it, y'all. Super simple DIY wood frames, perfect for holding this vintage, free printable artwork. And all I needed was a few of my favorite work pro tools to get us Valentine's Day ready.